Welcome to Be a Maker Activities and Crafts with author Katey Howes. Today, we're going to make a snack.
Hi there again, I'm Katey Howes, author of Be a Maker, and I'm bringing you today's Maker Challenge. Now today's extra challenging for me because the power went out at our house. The winds are really high and a line went down nearby. So hopefully the sun stays out well enough to keep this video bright enough that you can actually see what I'm doing. But we'll make the best of it because that's what makers do. Today's Maker Challenge is inspired by this spread of pages in the book where it says, make a snack and make a spare. Make enough for both to share. And the incredible thing about this picture is that the kids aren't just making snacks, they're making their snacks really fun by making them look like things they both enjoy. On previous pages, we saw that the little girl in the picture had made a spaceship out of toys around her house and supplies around her house. She's on her skateboard with like an umbrella and cardboard and tape holding it together to make it look like a spaceship. And now she's made her snack look like a spaceship too. And the boy in the picture has made his snack look like a boat. And in previous pages, we have seen that he's riding around on a bike that he's made to look like a boat. So I call it a boat cycle. Bicycle boat. It's really cute. And so they both have made their snacks look a lot like things that they enjoy doing or playing with or imagining. So today we're going to have challenges about making snacks, which is fantastic because who doesn't like a snack? So the first one I'm going to show you, I only have limited supplies because right now we can't always get out to the store and get everything we need. But I am very lucky in that I have these cool skewers with the tinsel on the back. I think they're left over from a 4th of July party that we had last year. And you can use those to skewer whatever you've got around the house. Our fruit supply is a little low because I haven't gone grocery shopping yet this week. But here's some apple chunks I'm putting on here. Those will make the spaceship. And then I'm using a strawberry to kind of make the tip of the spaceship where it would blast off. And suddenly we've got a spaceship skewer, just like in the book. So I'm going to show you a slide that has some more pictures of different kinds of snacks that you could make, and then I'm going to issue you 2 challenges. Are you ready? All right, I'll be right back.
So let me share some of my ideas with you. These are things my kids and I have made with snack food in the past. We made these fruit skewers, sort of like the ones I just showed you, for my book's birthday party at the bookstore when it first came out. We also like to put out a variety of different shapes and sizes of food, like cheese, crackers, pretzels, and fruit. And then you can build just about anything, including these very cute boats, like the ones in the book. Or maybe you'd like to make a book snack. These ones are made from graham crackers, fruit roll-ups, and marshmallows.
Great, I hope that gave you some ideas about making snacks that are really fun, because you have 2 maker challenges today that revolve around snacks. The first one is very similar to what I just showed you, and you can use one of the ideas from the slides or come up with your own. I want you to find some art, either in a book, on a wall, in a museum website, art that inspires you to make a snack to match. Maybe you're going to make a boat. Maybe you're going to make a cat. Maybe you're going to make a still life. I don't know what you're going to make. You figure out what you have around the house that your grown-ups are okay with you eating and playing with, and make yourself a snack inspired by art. The second maker challenge that you're going to do today is to, in some way, show someone else how to make the snack you invented. Because sometimes we can't share with everybody. We can't go drop the snack off at our friend's house or bring it into class right now since we're at home, but we can tell someone else how to make the same snack we did. So you could take a picture of it or make a video of it. You could act like you're on a cooking show and direct a video that tells people how to make your snack. You could write the recipe down, or you could illustrate it almost like a comic strip with step-by-step instructions on what to do to make the snack. So those are your 2 maker challenges today. Number 1, invent a new snack inspired by some sort of art. And number 2, make an instructional video or recipe or a comic or whatever you like that helps show someone else how to make the same snack. I hope that you have a delicious day with your maker challenges. And coming up, I've also got a couple new book recommendations for you too. If you like science, making things, and inventing things, you're going to enjoy these new books. I'll see you back here again tomorrow.
My book recommendations for makers this week are Cece Loves Science and Adventure, Charlotte the Scientist is Squished, Whoosh, Lonnie Johnson's super soaking stream of inventions, and May Among the Stars. I hope you'll check them out. You'll always find more activities, coloring pages, and fun at my website, and you can find Be a Maker anywhere books are sold.